Another Monday and another preview of a clip from EVE, the online electric vehicle equipment installation course, available from learninglounge.com/EVE. Now, time is running out to book your seat at the early bird price of only £99 plus VAT. You just use code EARLY1 during checkout and you'll also be entered into the prize draw to win this fantastic Matrel MFT that's specifically designed for EV charging installations. Last week, the Take a Peek randomizer showed us some footage from a large commercial installation, and shortly we'll see what taster clip it brings up for this week. One of the topics that we've examined in a lot of detail in EVE is the use of RCDs. In section 722, type B RCDs like this are specified as a solution to protect the EV charging point, but they are a bit pricey. Alternatively, you can use a type A like this or an F, as long as they're used in conjunction with a device to provide protection against DC residual currents. Deciding the best device and where it should be installed in relation to other protective devices can cause some challenges during the design. Probably the most common solution adopted is that the EV charging equipment itself will include type A RCD protection with 6 mA DC protection. However, one of the things that surprised us during the development of EVE is that it's possible for some makes of car to leak DC currents, causing the DC protection in a charging point to operate and meaning the car won't charge. Now, it's for this reason that the type B RCD will provide the most effective and comprehensive protection, as it's designed to handle the higher level of DC component. Now, this is why you'll find RCDs cropping up again and again in EVE. We see them in the section on site surveys, cover multiple variants in design, and then see the practical implications during installation. And this week, I've programmed the EVE Take a Peek randomizer to show a clip from our comprehensive RCD material. So here we go, let's randomise. Where the wiring of a dedicated EV circuit is concealed at any point, it may need to adopt one of the protective requirements listed. This could be to contain it within an earthed metallic conduit or trunking system, or using SWA cable. Where PVC insulated and sheathed cable is used, it must be protected with additional protection by means of an RCD. Now, the RCD option will usually be mounted at the origin of the circuit, and this will also protect the wiring and the charging equipment, socket outlet and connector. Where the charging point also has an inbuilt RCD, then irrespective of its type, A, F or B, there is no means of guaranteeing selectivity under earth fault conditions between it and the one installed within the main board. One or both devices could operate. Now, a very common mistake is to assume that increasing the rating of an upstream RCD to say 100 milliamps will provide selectivity. It doesn't, because there are a couple of things wrong with this assumption.
Technology.